GSTR2 effective from the 22nd of September. Let's
Go
update
to
Tally
GST
Prime.
rate setup, select stock items and press enter. You can see all the stock items grouped tax rate wise. Let us look at all the items under 12%. Go to the header row of 12% and press enter. Some of these items are moving to 5%, some to 18%, and rest are getting exempted. If the majority of items are moving to 5%, select all items, press Ctrl plus spacebar. To exclude items not moving to 5%, place the cursor on such item and press spacebar to unselect. To change the rate of selected items, press Alt+S. Set the option Provide HSN SAC details to no. This ensures that we are not altering the existing HSN details of the selected items. In the GST rate details field, select the option Specify details here. Enter the GST rate. Select New Effective Date option and enter the applicable date for the rate change. Save the changes. As you can see, the selected items have moved from 12% tax rate section. Now, let us move eligible items to 18%. Select the items whose new tax rate is going to be 18%. Press Alt+S. Set the option Provide HSN SAC details to no. In the GST rate details field, select the option Specify details here. Enter the GST rate. Enter new effective date and save the changes. The items have moved from here and to 18% group. Some 12% items have now been made exempt. Let us make that change. Select those items that are now going to be exempt from tax. Press Alt+S, disable HSN. Select Specify details here for GST rate details. Under taxability type, select Exempt. Enter the effective date and save the changes. The items are updated and moved to exempt tax section in the report. Items with 12% tax rate have been moved to new tax rates like 5%, 18% and exempt based on the rate changes from GST Council.